welcome back to another vlog, another few days in my life. I'm very excited for this week's vlog and I have so much to update you on. So I thought we would just go ahead and hop into a bit of a life update first. Just this week, Latasha and I wrapped up our full-time contract. So it's been a bit of a transition time for me and kind of figuring out what I want to do next, what my next steps are. And it's really interesting because the last few weeks I've really been feeling just a bit of a sense of uneasiness, kind of feeling like I knew that change was in the air, that change was coming. I've been seeing angel numbers all over the place, a whole lot of 555, which is like big changes coming in your life. After a lot of soul searching, talking with Kevin and my family, assessing my financial situation, all of that, I have decided to officially go back into entrepreneurship, working on a product that I have coming out that I'm really excited to share with you guys. Also building my mindset and personal success coaching, and I'm just going to give it my all. So it is the next day and this is my best friend Morgan. I don't think you guys have met yet, but we're just on our way out to Banff. We're having a best friend date day. We're gonna go for brunch and then find a hike somewhere. So I'm really excited, and this is something I posted a little while ago about just different types of rest, and I'll link the TikTok down below. But basically I've shared with you guys, even just when I have days off, how hard I find it to like do the right thing and to utilize my days off in a way where I actually feel fulfilled and rested and all of the things. And this really helped me kind of learning about different types of rest. So for example, creative rest is something where you're maybe doing like a puzzle or painting just for fun. Social rest is like hanging out with your best friend, somebody who doesn't have like any requirements of you. It's just for fun and like a good time. And social rest for me is something that I have to be like mindful to make sure that I actually do, because as an introvert, it's super easy for me to just kind of like get in my bubble and I'm very happy there. So just considering that, like, you know, how often do you just go on a walk with no headphones or no music and have that sensory rest? I would spend all weekend watching Netflix or looking at my phone watching TikToks, and you just think of like the number of things that your mind is having to process when you're doing all that. So even though your body is resting, your brain is like still going off, like having to sort through all of these different things. So it's just really interesting to think about different types of rest and to consider what do you need and what you're getting. Saturday, it's just after 3:30 and I've had a super chill and like slow day. I just went ahead and printed off my habit tracker for the month of July, and I actually have not been using my habit tracker for a little while, and I think it's totally normal to go through like kind of phases with your habits and the different practices that really work for you. So as much as I'm always looking to try and like instill habits, and I think that is obviously like something we crave, I think we also crave like a bit of adventure and like exploration. And so sometimes it's just switching up little things in your routine. The main thing that I really want to get back on track, I feel like I'm always saying this, is my health and nutrition. Like even yesterday I made choices that were fine, but like could have been better, and now I just feel that like energy wise, that heaviness. So that is definitely going to be a big focus for July. Habit tracking is always something that I come back to time and time again, especially when I'm in this state that I'm in now, where I feel like I keep hitting that wall, hitting that self-sabotage wall, where I'm wanting to take action and really struggling to be consistent with it. Our minds really like to see progression, and we like to give ourselves that check mark that really builds our confidence, and it makes makes us want to do more. So this is the fastest way that I find to shift me into action and really help me focus on my goals. I have this tracker linked down below if you guys want to check it out and fill it out for yourself.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch you.
Happy Sunday. It is the gloomiest day in Calgary today, but Kevin actually went golfing and I've just spent the morning getting everything so nice and fresh and clean in our place, which is just the best feeling. All of the kind of to-dos and things that I need to be focusing on for the week all have a place. They are taken out of my brain, put onto paper and into the calendar, and now I can just really focus on relaxing, putting my phone away, logging off of social media, and just really taking in some time to rest. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys all next week. Bye guys.